Alright, let's draw a nice painting in this wooden frame. So this is very small frame and I just put some colors to show it. Looks like the water. And I'm going to put some green color as a landscape. You can see here. Putting the green color on the side. Okay. So it's getting diminishing colors on the top, and you can see the darker color at the bottom. Okay, let's draw a house here. So let's see. For drawing a house we are going to use a different type of brush. All right, so single house, small hut here, just putting it, the inclined roof. Okay, all right, and another inclined roof on the other side, then drawing some vertical lines. Okay, adding some white color. Okay, so you can see the white color which is showing the pitch roof, and putting it on the other side you can see the vertical lines. Okay, and the single color on the side you can see, just putting it as nice as we can. And another one for the haystacks here. Okay, so a little bit the color variations. Adding more white within the context. Okay. All right. Now again we're going to put some borders for the roof. And vertical lines here. Okay, and something you can see, the haystacks on the top, again on the side. Okay, little bit extensions here. Okay, this is the separate line. And putting the window here, and this is the doors on the side. Okay, so on the top. All right, let's put some the color variations which is at the borders of the landscapes, and where it defines the water body meets the landscape. Okay, so for the fence we are going to use the black color. I'm taking it, so drawing the horizontal line, you can see here another line, and the vertical elements. Okay, and the landscape at the bottom of the house you can see. There's going to be a boat within the island. Okay, and you can see a nice pole within the boat in the water, putting the reflections on the water, and you can see drawing the combinations and the body of the tree, which is going to be on the back of the house. Okay, all right. Now for the tree, just putting some greens in the background at the bottom, taking more greens here and another green here. Little bit green, you can see reflections, like the water has its own reflections. Okay, and there is another outline in a far distance, which is just the landscape variations you can see here. Few drops you can see like the reflections on the water, adding some white color on the top of tree lines to show the shades and shadows into some places. Okay, so mixing up the colors to make the clear variations of the lightings looks good. Same thing happens for the landscape, which is in a far distance. Okay, so in this sector you can see I'm going to add some, the orange color formations within the skylines. Okay, just trying to mix it up within the whole canvas. All right, so there's the variations in the sky's color and few color reflections you can see on the water too. Okay, and in the middle of it I'm going to put a sun, which is of the yellow color, the bright yellow. I'm trying to make the sun as round as possible. Okay, so there's the nice drawing, putting few colors here and few in the sky. As you know, adding all those colors just make the landscape more interesting. Okay, so yellow prevails in the center again, adding more yellow here. Awesome, so the drawing is almost to an end. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with our channel, and we're going to bring lots of other topics in our paintings. And thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.